Today we are going to do force again. Oh, you are not well suffering from fever. Get well soon. And 2.0, circle 2.0, we have done motion in one dimension, we have done vectors. Our projectile motion is left, motion in two dimension is left. Okay.
Cross product.
Oh, cross and dot. Okay, first we will do cross and dot. We will complete the vectors and then we will move on to force. Okay. So two topics of 2.0 are left. One is projectile motion in two dimension, one and the same thing. So we will do that. I will give you one extra class in the next week, and in that class we will cover those topics. Okay. Now we will proceed with forces because 1.0 has done laws of motion also. So today I will try to make you equalized. Okay.
इसलिए जो आपकी ऑनलाइन मोड वाली क्लास है वो हमको ऑनलाइन ही लेनी है.
Yeah, that you have to take online on Friday.
कैसे जब यहाँ पे.
Yeah, you will come here and systems will be provided to you. Then you can take.
अच्छा.
Yes, Shireen. Saying something, dear.
merging both the classes.
Yes, we have already merged both the classes. These are.
For every class from Noida or just this class?
Any problem with the merging?
No sir, no problem. I have to problem.
What, dear?
I have problem.
Okay, you are not having any problem. Okay, come here. Let's talk about dot product of vectors, and I will be asking questions, so be ready and answer it. Okay. Dot product, also known as scalar product. Yeah. Also known as scalar product. Why do we call it scalar product? See, when you are going to multiply two vectors, you are going to take dot product of them. Then the answer that you are going to get, it will be a scalar quantity. Okay. What will be dot product of two vectors? Magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta, where theta is the angle between vector A and vector B. It is between, not by the way. Okay. Yeah, and chat regarding UTW by the way. Okay. It is the angle between vector A and vector B. Fine. So suppose I am multiplying two vectors. This is vector A and this is vector B, and the angle between them is theta. So dot product means, please see what is the meaning of dot product. Who will tell me? Let me ask. Shocking, what is the meaning of dot product? Analytical view, what is the meaning of it? Shocking, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Meaning of dot product. What is the meaning of this AB cos theta? Speak fast. Who will tell? Pushkin? Meaning of dot product. Shanmukha, Reshma? Come on. It means projection of vector A.
Sum of products of their components.
Manal. Sum of products. No. See, we can interpret from the dot product. It means, if I look at this diagram, so please see, what are we doing? We are doing AB cos theta, yes or no? So, horizontal component of B will be B cos theta.
Yes.
And you are multiplying it with A vector. That means you are multiplying the projection of vector B on A vector. What I mean, suppose this is your block and you are applying force like this. This force is making an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. Block is very heavy, you are lifting it like this. Not lifting, you are dragging it. You have tied it with a rope and you are pulling the rope. So block is sliding on the floor, but the force applied by you is like this, yes or no? You are applying the force like this, but block is sliding. So displacement is in this direction. S. Yes? So, which component of force is causing the block to move in the horizontal direction? The component of force that is making the block move in the horizontal direction is F cos 30. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, if you will calculate the work done by you, it will be F cos 30 because this force is moving the body. Force into displacement is work done. Dot S. Yes or no? Right? So, projection of force in the direction of displacement is causing the work to be done. Right? So, in dot product, what we actually do, we are taking the projection of one vector in the direction of another vector. And then we are multiplying those two vectors. Okay? So, it is actually projection of one vector in the direction of another vector. Right? Projection of one vector in the direction of another vector. Okay? You are going to take the magnitude obviously. That is why we have taken magnitude. And theta, please see what is theta. It is the angle between displacement and force. Okay? When you do this, you obtain work. Goranshi, what type of quantity is work?
Sir, vector quantity.
Work is a scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity, sir.
Yeah, it is a scalar quantity. It does not depend on the direction. It has no direction. Okay? It has no direction. So whenever you are going to take dot product of two quantities, what you are going to obtain? You are going to obtain a scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity.
Please note this much. So,
cross product is always a vector quantity.
yeah, in cross product it will always be a vector quantity. Now there are few properties of dot product. What is the dot product of orthogonal vectors?
By 0.
Yes, it is 0. Orthogonal means vectors are perpendicular to each other. Let's say this is vector A, this is vector B. So if you are going to do dot product of it, what will you get? Magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B into cos 90. What is cos 90? It is 0. So you will get 0. Okay, very basic. Dot product of parallel vectors. No.
AB.
Yeah.
A into B.
Vector A, vector B, if these two are parallel vectors and you find out what product of them, so it will be magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos 0. That will be A, B. Multiply their magnitudes. Multiply their magnitudes. Done? Dot product of orthogonal unit vectors. Orthogonal unit vectors. That means I dot j, j dot k, what will be the answer, Pushkin?
Sir, I dot j equal to k cap.
Yes. What is the answer, Reshma?
0.
0, good.
So 0 for all.
Yeah, good. Please see. These are my three axes. This is I cap. This is j cap. This is k cap. So you are multiplying I cap with j cap. That means you are multiplying the quantity of x axis with the quantity of y axis. What is the angle between x and y axis?
90.
So that means here the angle will be 90 degree and cos 90 is 0. Similarly, if you will multiply j cap and k cap, again angle between y and z axis is 90 degree. So it will come out to be 0. If you will multiply z axis and x axis, again the angle is 90, so it will come out to 0. Okay, so whenever you are going to multiply or whenever you are going to take dot product of different orthogonal unit vectors, that is I, j, k, whenever they are multiplied, the answer will be 0. And whenever you are going to multiply same type of orthogonal vectors, yes, Gauranshi, what will be the answer?
So 0 होगा.
Both are along the x-axis. If I talk about I cap dot I cap, so angle is 0 between them. Cos 0 is 1. Similar is for y-axis and similar is for z-axis. So answer is 1. Good. Then Arey Pushkin, why are you writing all this has been done in your batch?
Sir, I was absent.
Oh, you were absent. Okay, then write. Written. Solve this question. Disha will solve. Everyone has to solve, but I will ask answer from Disha. So you have to find A dot B vectors.
So 2y cap minus 1 cap plus 10.
Give me the answer. Don't give me the question that now you can solve. I don't want to solve, you have to solve. Solve it. Exact answer. What is the answer? आंसर मतलब आखिरी में आंसर क्या आएगा मैडम वो बताइए स्टेप्स ना बताइए हाँ बताइए क्या आंसर है
2i cap.
You will get 2i cap.
Yes, we replace.
2i cap, that means product of two vectors dot product is going to give you a vector. Huh? You are saying I cap.
Now कर रहे हैं, sir.
Shocking answer. Shireen has given the answer. Arey, both got different answer.
It's 13. I hope I mistake. It's 13.
Okay. Good everyone. Pushkin. Sheetal. Okay, given. Sorry. Avni, okay. Gayatri. Arjuna. Gayatri, Anjana, you both are not responding, huh?
13
Shyatri, you are new to the batch? Have you joined the batch or is it a demo? What is it?
2 into 1 plus minus 1 plus 5.
Shyatri, please respond. Yeah, Shyatri, you have raised the hand. Now you can say, open the mic and speak, or you can type.
Sir,
Yes, 13 is the answer.
So 13.
Okay, I am doing it. Please see. 2i minus j plus 5k into I minus j plus 2k. Okay, normal multiplication, mathematical multiplication you have to do. That means 2i you have to multiply with first term, that is I, then again with minus j, then again with k, okay, 2k. Then again minus j with I cap, minus j with minus j and minus j with 2k. It's wait, and then 5k with I cap, 5k with minus j cap and 5k with 2k. But we know that if I am going to multiply I cap with any other orthogonal unit vector, that is if I will multiply 2i cap with j cap, it will be I dot j, 2i dot j into minus j. Yes or no? I can write it minus 2i dot j. What is I dot j?
0.
It is 0. So this whole term will become 0. Similarly, if I will multiply 2i with k cap, 2k cap, again it will be I dot k. So I will again get 0. So it's no use to write all those things. Just multiply same type of orthogonal unit vectors. What I mean? I mean multiply 2i cap with I cap. Right? So you will get 2 into I cap into I cap. Okay? Multiply j with j cap. So minus minus is plus and j dot j plus k with k. So 5 into 2 into k into k. So this is 1, I square is 1. So 2, this is also 1 plus 1, this is also 1 plus 10. So you will get 13 units as the answer. Understood? Okay, no problem, Gayatri. Yes, Shatri dear, you are not speaking, you are new to the batch, or is it your demo? Fine? Fine. Solve 1 or 2 more questions, then we will move ahead. Okay. Okay, Shafri. Next question. So, force is given to you. Shadli, are you able to understand everything? Force is 2I plus 3J plus 4K. And body is displaced from the position of 2I plus 3J plus K cap 2 I plus J cap plus K cap. So initially body was at this position, now it is displaced to this position by the application of this much amount of force. So you have to find out the work done. Yes, Shraddhi dear, are you getting it? Or am I going too fast? Okay. क्यों नहीं आ सकता? माइनस से हमारे पोजीशन थोड़ी ना है। Yeah, tell me the answer, everyone.
-8.
What minus 8? Minus 8 what?
-8 joules.
Yeah. Got it, Nikita? What are you doing, huh? Disha?
-12.
You, Zoya, Doramshi, Shivam. My God, Reshma
So
got it,
minus
Sophie
minus.
got it, Sheetal got it, Shanmukha got it, Manal got it, Bhavita got it. Minus 8. आया? तुम्हें Yeah, Shireen, put J in front of it for joules. Okay, I am doing it. That's what happens with you. Please see, body is moving from this position to this position. Okay. So this is the final position. This is the initial position. Work done is equal to force vector dot displacement vector. Right. So displacement is what? Displacement vector is equal to final position vector minus initial position vector. Yes or no? I have told you all of these things in the class. So what is final position vector? Finally body is reaching to which position? To R2. So I plus J plus K cap is your final position vector. What is your initial position vector? It is body started from 2I plus 3J plus K cap, subtract them. So I minus 2J will give you minus I, J minus 3J will give you minus 2J, K minus K will give you 0. So this is your displacement vector. Yes or no? Take dot product of force vector and displacement vector, you will get the work done. So 2I plus 3J plus 4K dot minus I minus 2J. again I dot I. So minus 2 you will get. I square will be 1 and 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. Right? J dot J. So 3 2s are 6. So minus 6 you will get and J square will be 1. No need to multiply K with anything because you will get 0. So minus 8 joules. Minus 8 joules. And since it's the name of a scientist, units named after a scientist are always written with block letters, capital letters. So minus 8 capital J. Everyone is written in small letters. That's the answer. Note it down. Understood? Shivam, Pushkin, Gauranshi,
Yes, sir.
Shadri, understood or not?
So मैंने 2 + 6 12 लिख दिया था.
And Pushkin.
Sir.
Noted? Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Solve the next question. Find the angle. Find the angle between these two vectors. Find the angle between vector A, that is 2i plus j minus k, and vector B, which is I minus k. Find the angle between them. What is the answer, Shaukin?
Sir,
I'm sorry.
so when
182.
Sir, 30 degree.
Oh, good, awesome. Good, Sheetal. Come on, guys, use your brains. Manal, you also got it. Good, 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 good. So, Sankalp, 2 students are also getting the answer. Shireen, Bhavika. Oh, good, Bhavika. Shireen, Reshma, you did not get it till now. Reshma, Shanmukha, Pujita. Sent.
So
Okay.
cost 40 की वैल्यू √3 होती है.
Cos में √3 किसी की वैल्यू नहीं होती है क्योंकि √3 1.7 समथिंग होता है और cos की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 1 होती है. Okay, I'm doing it. Please see. Look here. Pay attention. If I take the dot product of these two vectors, I will get magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta. I need to find cos theta. So cos theta will equal to vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. So first of all, if I take dot product of these two vectors, I will get A dot B, and then I can find out the magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B, and I can multiply them, and then I will divide it with dot product of A and B vector to obtain the answer. Oh, let me do it. So step 1 is to calculate the dot product of vector A and vector B. So that is 2I plus j minus k into I minus k. So 2I into I square, that is 2, and minus k into minus k square minus 1, so it will be 3. Right. Now let's find out the magnitude of vector A. Magnitude of vector A will be what? Under the root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. Comes out to be 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is under root 6. Magnitude of vector B, I and k, okay. 1 square plus 1 square comes out to be under root 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, cos theta is equal to 3 upon under root 6 into under root 2. Yes or no? This can be written as 3 upon under root 12. Can you solve it or not? Okay. 3 can be written as under root 3 into under root 3. Okay. And this is under root 12. Thank you. Under root 3 by 2 will be the answer. So cos theta is equal to root 3 upon 2. So theta is equal to cos inverse of root 3 upon 2. So at what angle cos gives the value of root 3 upon 2? At 30 degree. So theta comes out to be 30 degree. Yes or no? Everyone clear? Yes. Done? Moving on to vector product. And what was your score in chemistry and bio?
Sir, in bio,
No, chemistry first.
100.
Okay, so you are better than chemistry. Good. And in bio?
Bio, sir, 186.
Bio you have got two subjects, right? Zoology and
सर फिजिक्स में ज़्यादा टाइम लगा तो ऑटो सेव हो गया था टाइम हो गया था 1 hour and 20 minutes लगे थे फिजिक्स में
have to decrease the time, you know, have to think on STEM, that's the problem. Anyway, moving on to vector product, at least scoring has started, now we can work on the other process, timing. Vector product or cross product. What do we mean by vector product or cross product? See, again we are going to multiply two vectors, okay? But this time our answer will be, our product will also be a vector, okay? So, let's say we have got two vectors, vector A and vector B, and we are doing cross product of these two vectors. So what you will get? You will get magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sine theta, where theta is again the angle between vector A and vector B, and neta cap. What is this neta cap? This neta cap, yeah, this neta cap is a unit vector which gives the direction of the resultant. Resultant, the thing that you are obtaining when you are doing the cross product of two vectors, okay, which gives direction of resultant. So you score good marks in dimensions. In which portion you scored good marks? Didn't analyze. Should always analyze your score very minutely. Doesn't matter whatever you are scoring. That's not your NEET examination. You are actually preparing. So it's the part of preparation. So you have to analyze that in which areas you are good, in which area you are not that good. Okay. Since here we have got a unit vector which is giving us the direction, that means that this thing that we are obtaining, this is a vector quantity. Okay, it is a vector quantity. For example, you can take the example of torque. What is torque? It is the cross product of force and perpendicular distance from the point of application of force, right? So on multiplication of two vectors, you are obtaining a vector. Electric dipole, magnetic dipole, many examples can be taken. Okay? Please note it, then we will talk further. So when are you guys going to pick up the class?
शाम 3 बजे अभी तो छूट जाएगी टाइम है.
Give it today, tell me your scores tomorrow. You also. Varanshi has already given. Zoya, Zoya, Nikita, Disha, Shivam. Okay. Now please see. in the product we are obtaining a unit vector which is giving us the direction of our resultant. So we need to analyze that what will be the direction of resultant. What I mean, suppose I am multiplying force and displacement. I am doing cross product of force and displacement, perpendicular distance. Okay. So I need to know the direction of torque, that in which direction torque will act, because it is a vector quantity, so it will have some direction. This neta cap is giving me the direction of the product or of the resultant. So I need to see that how to find out the direction. Got my point? Everyone understood or not? Okay. So for this, direction of product. So for this we have two rules. Rule number one is, what is the name of the rule? Very good. Number one is right hand thumb rule. Suppose these are my two vectors, vector A and vector B. And you are doing what? You are doing A cross B. Pay attention. You are doing A cross B. Okay. Now please see. Take out your right hand. Okay. Everyone has it? Yeah. Now, do one thing. You are doing A cross B. A cross B. Okay. So you have to place the palm, your right hand palm on vector A. Or you can say at the junction where A and B are meeting. Place your right hand palm like this. Okay. And move your fingers or curl your fingers in the direction where you are going. So you are going from A to B. You are doing A cross B. Yes or no? So curl your fingers from A to B. Yes or no? Getting me or not? Are you following, everyone? Direction of your thumb gives the direction of the resultant. So what is the direction of the thumb here? It is outside the board, outside the plane of board. Yes or no? So the resultant that you are going to obtain, this resultant, its direction will be outside the plane of board, or you can say it is perpendicular to the plane of board. Something like this, please see. That will be the direction. Can you see this black marker coming out? That's the direction of the product. That is A cross B. So in this case, it is outside the plane of board. You all don't write outside the plane of board. You are drawing it on your notebook. Now tell me, according to your notebook, what will be the direction of A cross B? Do it.
Upwards.
Very good. Upside, or you can say upwards, the plane of your notebook. Yes or no, Nikita? Where are you? Okay. Outside the plane of board. You can say perpendicular to the plane of board. So in your case, it is perpendicular to your plane of paper or plane of notebook. Shivam, are you able to understand or not? Hanji? Everyone, is it clear or not? Any doubt, please ask me. Shadri, are you able to understand? Shadri, following me or not? क्या सोच रहे हैं? Don't think उसमें सोचने क्या है? What I told you last time, if you will ponder over something, you will become ponderous. So don't ponder, don't think. Just go and give. Never think of anything. It has to be done. So Don't do it. You will depreciate your performance by overthinking. Smart as it is. Understood. Now, please tell me what will be the direction of B cross A. If I do B cross A, what will be the direction?
Inside.
That's very easy for you, huh? Just opposite of it. What about you all? ये ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं? इसको बोलिए. See, place your palm like this, but you cannot place it like this. Why? You have to curl your fingers in the direction of A, so you can't break your fingers. So you will place your hand like this, your palm like this, right? Now move from B to A. The direction of thumb will give you the direction of B cross A. Yes or no? Okay. So for B cross A, the direction of product will be perpendicular to the inside and perpendicular. Inside and perpendicular to the plane of board. Got it or not? Okay. The next rule is Shauki, next rule. Screw rule, yeah. Right hand screw rule. What happened, Shauki? You seem upset? Huh? It doesn't matter. Next time you will score good marks.
Yes.
Yeah, next time I will make more tough paper. Okay. My job is to teach you all everything that is there to make you proficient in the subject, and then next job is to make or to set such a paper that you all cannot solve.
Sir, आप paper discuss करो.
Yeah, obviously. These papers are very easy. Once we reach the core topic, that is next time when forces will come, work per energy will come, rotation and all will be there, then we will discuss. Okay. Here do you get the solutions in the portal. Once you give the paper, solutions are available. You can check the solutions, and from those, if you don't understand anything, then you can ask. Okay. So my job is to make the paper so tough that you cannot solve it, and your job is to score good marks in it. So until I am in the classroom, I am your friend. Your interest and my interest are same. But once it reaches to the battleground, that is test, then I am your enemy. You have to defeat
Sir,
me.
पर हमें difficulty से ज़्यादा accuracy भी कम.
With difficulty, if you can be accurate. With difficulty, if you can be accurate. If precision is there, in spite of the toughness, then no one can stop you from clearing your NEET examination. Because no one knows whether the paper next time will be easy or tough. Do you know?
पर physics का थोड़ा.
इस बार easy था, अगली बार easy आएगा, आप लिख के दे सकते हैं.
But advanced.
See, there is always a per to every per, okay? But what we have to do is, we have to prepare ourselves in such a way, we have to be ready for the worst case scenario. Now, right hand screw rule. Again, vector A and vector B. Angle is theta between them.
Yes.
Guys, have you seen a screw? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who hasn't seen a screw? Don't know what a screw is? Okay. Let me show. अरे पेंच देखा है कभी? Screw. See, I'll try, but my drawing is pathetic. You all know it. something like this with groovings on it.
So this is the point that each is a point.
Yeah, I know. With groovings on it here,
Screwdriver.
and you, right? You put the screwdriver at the top, at the head of the screw, and you turn the screwdriver. Yes or no? So this is the screw. Got the idea? Yeah. So that's your screw. Now what you have to do is, you have to place your screw at the junction of A and B. Place your screw here. Lift up this screw and place it here. Like this. And then rotate it in the direction where you are taking the product. So I am taking the product A cross B. So my direction is from A to B. Yes or no? So I will rotate the screw in the direction from A to B. Okay. So if you have seen the screw, and if you see, if I am rotating the screw like this, anti-clockwise direction. So if I rotate the screw in the anti-clockwise direction, what happens? It loosens. Yes or no?
Yes.
Anti-clockwise, you rotate the screw, it loosens, it comes out. Screw, rotate it anti-clockwise, it loosens, it comes out. So if you will rotate it in anti-clockwise, Pushkin, following or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you will rotate it,
Yes, sir.
it in anti-clockwise direction, what will happen? See, it will emerge out, it will get loose, like this. So this is the direction of the resulting. Screw is coming out, that means the direction is outside the board.
तो सर ये हमेशा ये रहेगी.
Got this point or not? See, this is the screw. Rotate it anti-clockwise, it will come out. Yes or no?
और अगर हम B से ये लें तो
Okay.
तो
Understood everyone? Yeah, anti-clockwise. Very good, Shyamji. Yeah. So here also, since screw comes out, so it is perpendicular and outside the plane of board. Clear? Varanshi, are you getting it? Shivam?
Yes, sir.
Shayatri, understanding everyone? Is it clear? Manal, Shri. Okay?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Now, please see, if we do B cross A. Guys, if we do B cross A, again I will place my screw here. B cross A. See, I am going from B to A. B to A. Yes or no? So, my rotation will be clockwise. And when I move clockwise, when I rotate the screw clockwise, what happens? It goes inside the nut. Sorry, it goes inside the bolt. Inside the hole. Yes or no? It will go in. So it is inside the plane of board. Perpendicular and inside the plane of board. Is this understood or not?
Yes.
So here, this will be perpendicular and inside. In your notebooks, it will be inside. B cross A will be inside the plane of your notebook, and A cross B is outside the plane of your notebook. Note it down. Done? Done? Now, if we take cross product of orthogonal unit vectors, that is I, J and K cap, then what happens? I mean, if you multiply I cross J, or you do J cross K, or K cross I, then what will happen?
सर ये हो जाता है ना.
And if you multiply I cross I, J cross J and K cross K, then what will happen? Yeah, someone was saying something? कौन? आप? कहाँ जीरो हो जाता था? डॉट प्रोडक्ट में. This is cross product.
I into J equal to K cap.
Very good.
K into K equal to I cap. K into I equal to J cap.
Okay, see. Please look here. Yeah, Reshma, good. Please see. I into I. I into I means what? It means sine 0 along the x-axis only. Yes or no? I and I. Two vectors are along x-axis. That is why you are getting I and I. So along x-axis, that means 0. Because sine 0 is 0. Both are along y-axis, again 0. Both are along z-axis, again 0. So if you are taking cross product of same type of orthogonal unit vectors, you are going to get 0. Now for this I, j and k, please see I have got a trick. Make a circle, write I, j, k, and you move in clockwise direction. So if you are doing I cross j, hide I cross j, what you got? You got k cap. Okay, so product of I cross j will give you k cap. If you are doing j cross k, again you are moving in clockwise direction, hide them, you will get I cap. If you are doing k cross I, again hide them, you will get j cap. Okay? And if you move in the anti-clockwise direction, that means like this. J cross I. So J cross I you will get k cap, but it will be of minus sign. Okay. So first of all I cross J will give you k cap. J cross k will give you I cap. K cross I will give you j cap. Right. But in this case, if you are doing j cross I, you will get minus k cap. If you are doing I cross k, you will get minus j cap. And if you are doing k cross j, you will get minus I cap. Clear everyone? Shokeen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shokeen, are you sad that we are revising?
No, sir.
Seems so. Just today's class, dear. From tomorrow we will proceed.
Laws of motion.
Please note it down.
So 1.4 कहाँ friction क्या होता है?
No, laws of motion.
Second law was
Third.
second law is completed.
हाँ, we have completed second law. Yeah. We have done problems also, right? On first and second law. No questions? Okay, we will do questions. Noted? Done? Okay. Now suppose I have two vectors. Vector A is A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap, and vector B is B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap, and I ask you to find A cross B. Yeah, find out. नहीं वो भी नहीं बताया अभी आप नॉर्मल बेसिक करिए. That is determinant method. Don't do it by determinant method. Solve it by the normal way that I have told you. Don't write it like this. इसको यहाँ पे लिखिए, एक फिर B को लिखिए, properly multiply करिए. Do some work. Don't get lazy. अगल बगल लिखिए ना, A और B को multiply करिए. Now multiply A1 I cap into B1 I cap and write what the answer is. Fast. Shocking answer. Answer. What? Not done, huh?
सर जीरो नहीं होगा.
Dear, zero कैसे होगा बताइए? I into J करेंगे zero आ जाएगा. I into K करोगे zero आ जाएगा. Shadri, very good. Okay, good. Plus K, yeah. I'll have to check it out. Plus K, okay. You mean, okay, got it. That's right. Thumbs up.
सर ये है
हाँ ये ग्रुपिंग करो I कैप के एक साथ J कैप के एक साथ K कैप के एक साथ. Do some work, huh? Shocking, you are not solving it. You are getting very lazy, huh? That is why your score is also. What is the answer? You have done it by, don't lie, you have done it by determinant method, right?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. I am just kidding. Yeah, what is the answer?
A1 V2 K cap minus A1 V2.
Answer it in the proper form. First I cap, then J cap, then K cap. Arrange it properly, Shocking. Okay, I am doing it. Please see. Okay, see how to solve it. A I cap plus A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap and cross product with B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. Now see, A1 I cap into B1 I cap. So A1 B1 I cap cross I cap. I cap cross I cap. Right? Plus A1 I cap plus B2 J cap. So A1 B2 and I cross J. Okay? Plus A1 I cap and B3 K cap. So A1 B3 and I cross K. Okay? Plus A2 J cap and B1 I cap. So A2 B1 and what are we doing? J cap cross I cap. So J cap cross I cap plus A2 J cap and B2 J cap. So A2 B2 J cap cross J cap. And then A2 J cap plus B3 K cap. So A2 B3 J cross K plus A3 K cap and B1 I cap. So A3 B1 K cross I plus A3 B2, see A3 K cap and B2 J cap. So A3 B2 K cross J plus A3 K cap and B3 K cap. So A3 B3 K cap cross K cap. I J K. Now please see, I cross I will be 0. So this term is 0. J cross J will also be 0. And K cross K will also be 0. So that is gone. Now A1 B2. I cross J. I cross J will give you K cap. So A1 B2 K cap. Fine. A1 B3 I cross K. I cross K anti-clockwise. Okay. So you will get minus J. So minus A1 B3 J cap. Okay. A2 B1 J cross I. J cross I again anti-clockwise. So you will get minus K cap. So minus A2 B1 K cap. A2 B3 J cross K. J cross K plus I cap. So plus A2 B3 I cap. A3 B1 K cross I. K cross I plus J cap. Yes or no? So plus A3 B1 K cross I will give you J cap. A3 B2 K cross J. K cross J anti-clockwise minus I. So minus A3 B2 I cap. Yes or no? Now what we are going to do? Please group them together. That means bring I cap vectors together, J cap together and K cap together. So I A2 B3 minus A3 B2 I cap, right? J. So plus A3 B1 minus A1 B3 J cap and K. So A1 B2 minus A2 B1 K cap. That's your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Everyone got it, very good. But my dear, this method is very lengthy method. We have done this method to demonstrate it that it is lengthy, and sometimes in few questions this might be required. So we must be aware of this method. Okay, in good questions it will be required when you will be using cross product as an application. Anyway, so we need to know this method, but there is a shortcut. You cannot waste this much of time. Okay, so that shortcut is a determinant method. We will do it in the next class. Determinant method, that is tomorrow, and tomorrow we are going to start with the forces, and we will reach the laws of motion, and we will do shocking lot of questions on laws of motion. Don't worry. Okay, bye bye everyone. I will see you tomorrow.